Hey everybody, this is Scott from Bonefishsailing, and trying to get back into giving videos of things that you need to be on a liveaboard boat. These are things I would consider essential and uh, for any boat, given my experience. But we're going to talk about bilge pumps. It's a very important topic. So, number one, should you have a bilge pump? Absolutely. If you only have one bilge pump, you need to have a switch for setting it on automatic. You need on your panel, and you also need to have a float switch, obviously, to get it to work automatically. If that's not obvious to you, please research bilge pumps more. Now, I'm just in the process of putting in my secondary bilge pump because your bilge pump, if something goes wrong, meaning you have a through hole that blows, you somehow punch a hole in your boat, any way that you can imagine that water can get in your boat, the only thing that is going to get that water out is your bilge pump. If you have one bilge pump, I will tell you from experience that if you blow a through hole, which can certainly happen, and through holes, don't buy plastic ones. Buy metal through holes. I'll include that as a tip with the bilge pumps. But one bilge pump is not going to be sufficient if you blow a through hole. So that's why I'm installing a second bilge pump that has a float switch on it that is mounted approximately 6 inches higher than the other bilge pump. It's lower than all my electronics, my lithium batteries, inverters, everything. I have a massive electrical setup on this boat. I have 120-volt power everywhere in this boat, everywhere. Over a dozen outlets that you can plug into with any device like you would in your house. But put in a second bilge pump. Put in a second bilge pump. I'm saying it again because it is so important. You need to have two bilge pumps. It is the most essential piece of safety gear on something that is designed to float on the water and could sink. Like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody.